Hello, it's Sabrina with Upstate Spray Foam. I'm here to show you how to submit your EmPower Plus application through the NYSERDA MyEnergy Portal on your desktop. Go ahead and open up Google, search for MyEnergy Portal NYSERDA, look for the MyEnergy Portal link. Here, select Start My Journey, then Start My Plan. Look for Need to Register. Fill in your contact information. Go to your email to set your password. You will be redirected to the website. Scroll down to Weatherization and select the Apply Now button. Log in with the same username and password you made for the portal. Select EmPower Plus. Fill in your information. Everything with an asterisk is required. Step 3 is super important. This is where you will select Upstate Spray Foam as your contractor. If you do not make this selection, you'll be added to an open portal and potential for your project to be bounced around between contractors. Selecting Upstate Spray Foam ensures you will be added to our direct portal. Fill in your information. It's important to add each household member. It's important to select a number for each field. You cannot progress with the None option. Continue to fill in your information. Highlighting page 6, quickly look over your information. You will see the Top Gun Group LLC for your contractor. This is okay. Upstate Spray Foam is the Top Gun Group. This is just our registered name with NYSERDA. Continue to scroll down to section J. Here you will type in Upstate Spray Foam, reiterating you want to work with us as your contractor. After that, you will scroll down and select Electronic Signature. Complete the DocuSign prompts. You will be sent back to the application to upload your required documents. Because you e-sign the application, you'll want to upload your proof of homeownership in the signed application spot. Click Submit. It will be sent to NYSERDA for review. You'll receive an email response within 5 to 10 business days. With any questions or concerns, you can give me a call at 315-822-5238. Thank you.